Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, August 21st, 2012. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside today, a candle that's made a higher high but a lower low, failing to change the trend that was established to the downside for the previous day's trading. Previous day's trading we had a candle that made a lower high and a lower low, and we had the market prior to that in a very strong first time frame uptrend where we had potential for a change of trend but no change of trend, and yesterday's trading change of trend to the downside where the sellers failed to take control of the market, and today we've seen the buyers extend the trading up above the previous high, but also the sellers extend trading down below the previous low. That does set this up as an indecisive type candle or bar. In bar chart terms, it's what's called an outside day, and that is indecisive because of the market taking out the high but also the low. So we saw power from both sides of the market throughout the trading day. But if we look at the black body, we have had a largish black body that we haven't seen for quite some time. It suggests that the sellers made net bearish progress, and a decent amount compared to the amount of bullish that they were generally making in this first time frame uptrend. So that does suggest that there may not be a change of trend to the upside. But we also saw the sellers close down towards the low of this candle, suggesting that the sellers had control of this market when the market closed. A very large shadow on the top of this candle as well saw the buyers lose commitment up above the 1422 and 1415 areas of resistance, and that also suggests that there is potential for the market to continue trending down. The only thing is the market found support at the Tenkan-sen, and as we know, very often when we have a market that has very strong upside momentum, it tends to find initial support at the Tenkan-sen, and here we see in the recent past at around 1404 the market found support, and today for today's trading we found support there. So that is a very important level for tomorrow's trading, around this 1411 level, around the low of the current candle, and it does suggest that if we do see buying coming in, we could see the market trading to higher levels and perhaps set the market up for a change of trend. But really the short-term dynamics of this market at the moment aren't supporting that. Now, in terms of the previous Fibonacci extension, we're looking at the relationship of the first time frame uptrend that the market was in prior to the change of trend to the prior time it was trending up, and here we saw small bodied candle up around the 100% level, a test just above there with a spinning top type candle, and that did set the market up for the change of trend that we've seen. For the current Fibonacci extension, and now that we're trending down, we're looking at the relationship of the current downtrend to the prior time the market was trending down, and here we see the market testing just to the 23.6% level today and some price rejection, but the 23.6% level is a minor level. The 38.2, 50 and 61.8% are more important than that, and with the sellers taking control of this market, it does suggest that there is potential for the market to trade down to the 38.2 around 1404 or the 50%, and that coincides with the expected support that we should see around the 1400 round number. But don't forget, we also have potentially strong support at the Tenkan-sen, the green line here. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement of the prior uptrend, and here we see the market not interacting with the 23.6% level yet, or any of the lower levels, so there is still potential for the market to trade down to lower levels. This 23.6% level coincides roughly with that round number 1400, and then we should expect, if the market does trade through there, expect very, very strong support at 38.2%, and it coincides with previous strong support. We can see here where the market tested down to this level from the shadows on the bottom of these candles, so that would be a very strong level of support if we do trade down there. In terms of Ichimoku, we have a bullish market in all three time frames. The market's trading above the cloud, so the market is bullish in the long-term time frame. We're trading above the Kijun-sen, so bullish in the medium-term time frame, and just trading above the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, so bullish in the short-term time frame. And the Chica span here is above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming the bullishness that we're seeing. It's been some time since we've seen the market trading below the Tenkan-sen. We've tested to that level two times in the recent past, so we would expect that area to hold. We did have a bearish test here and here, but if we look at the way the market's reacted to trading around those levels in the recent past, we have had rejection from there immediately. For today's trading, however, the rejection hasn't been strong, so that does suggest that the support there is not potentially as strong as it has been in the recent past, so there is a possibility of a break. As I've said, however, if we do see that break, certainly the round number 1400 will act as very, very strong support for the market. If we do see the market trade higher, obviously 1422 is strong resistance extending up to 1426, but then up to 1444 we have even stronger resistance up around that level, and a bullish breakout up above these levels has the potential to see the market trading up there. But certainly with the sellers in control, we do need to watch how the market reacts. The trend is down, and the area around the Tenkan-sen is crucial to this market moving forward.